The LifeStraw Mission is a high-volume microbiological gravity purifier, perfect for group hikes and camping. Available in 5-liter and 12-liter sizes, it purifies 18,000 liters of water, which is 4,750 gallons. Manufactured by Vestergaard, a Switzerland-based public health company, the LifeStraw Mission uses no chemicals, batteries, or moving parts to purify water. Instead, it uses an advanced ultrafiltration cartridge, which removes 99.99% of viruses, 99.999% of bacteria, and 99.99% of protozoa. Be sure to fill it just to the white line. Any higher, and it will overflow when you roll the bag shut. Find a branch that's strong enough to support the bag, and throw your strap over. Hang the bag using the hooks on the top. Now you attach the filter, and you're good to go. To begin purifying water, you first open the dirty water tap and let water flow through for 10 seconds. This flushes any air bubbles in the cartridge. When you're done, you close the dirty water tap and open the clean water tap to let clean water flow through. The flow rate will improve over time, and on average, it'll fill a 1-liter bottle in about 5 to 7 minutes. The LifeStraw Mission is really easy to clean thanks to the integrated red backflush bulb. You close the clean and dirty water taps and simply squeeze the bulb 3 times, letting it reinflate, which backflushes the membrane. Once you've completed this, you can open the dirty water tap and flush out dirty water. When you buy a LifeStraw Mission, you're also making an impact. For every LifeStraw product sold in North America, we provide a year of clean drinking water to a child in a developing country through our Follow the Leaders program.